Hello guys, it's the first week of practicing English pronunciation. Yeah baby, it's been a week baby. And I noticed that I gained three subscribers. Yeah, I don't know why but maybe because you are watching this video. Maybe. Oh yeah. Uh, As you have known, I am making this video to practice my English pronunciation and grammar to have a conversational and understandable English because I want to work abroad, international, and I want to talk with people. And when I'm talking, I want the people, you, understand me. Alright? Alright. You get it right? Yeah, you get it. Anyway, I am so happy that I'm making this video for you, to all the people who is watching this. I think, or maybe, I wish my English has have had has been improved, something like that. What do you think? Comment down below. Alright? Anyway, I really appreciate your support every day. I watch, I see you watching this, and I am happy that you enjoy what I'm talking here. So please join me in my journey of learning how to pronounce English and correct my grammar and also my accent. Yeah, my accent. Alright? Please subscribe, leave a comment down below. Thank you. Bye bye.